Andy, 3 points well deserved in your opinion?
Yeah, I think so. I think we created better chances. I thought we were the better side. Thought we were a little bit lucky towards the end when they went through, but yeah, I think we deserved the 3 points.
There didn't seem to be any hangover from Saturday's celebrations anyway.
No, it's tough as well, you know, from the highs of Saturday, coming back to playing the league game on a Tuesday is pretty tough, and so the boys deserve a lot of credit tonight.
Ie, Ian, nath y dathliadau nos Sadwrn ddim effeithio arnoch chi ormod heno?
Na, i mynd o'r, ennill y cwpan, a wedyn chwarae dydd Mawrth mae'n anodd, ond na i fod yn dweud, mae boys di gweithio'n galed heno, i ennill gêm eto.
Pa mor falch ydych chi bod chi wedi gallu rhoi perfformiad fel na i ddilyn be oedd yn achlysur mor fawr i chi dydd Sadwrn?
Ie, na be o'n i'n dweud yn y changing room i fod yn deg. Mae angen i bac fel lan. Fi credu dyw'r perfformiad ddim yn gorau, ond beth sy'n bwysig yw'r 3 point.
Sean, a tough evening for you. Did you feel you deserved something from that game?
I definitely feel when we watch it back, I think we deserved a point. I think it was a pretty even game throughout. We had chances, they had chances. There was obviously that big call in the first half with the yellow, which we want to see back because we think it possibly was a red. But to be honest, I think we nullified them at times, they nullified us, and yeah, full credit to them. Probably quite difficult to follow up after a great result on Saturday for them, but yeah, bitterly disappointed.
4 wins in a row now, 4 clean sheets against some top opponents as well. How pleased are you with this run of form?
Oh, delighted. The boys have worked hard. There's good feelings between the players, and they got that willingness to win and to fight for each other. So, yeah, we're pretty happy.